this, but enjoy. I am going to Monroe, Louisiana. Pretty sure that's what it is. I've never heard of this city before in my life, but I'm flying to Dallas first, so that's what this video will be. It'll be Denver to Dallas. Let's see how close we can get to them, eh? This thing's probably pretty used to people. All right. That was fun. Okay, so here we are. All right, Denver. Flying down to good old Dallas. No line here. I don't think you can fly through Denver and not see a dog. I really don't. Let's go this way. I like to sit down.
Exit here for all seniors. Exit here for all seniors.
Keeps on cutting the recording off.
This train is out of service. All passengers.
Out of service? What's just on it? See, dogs. Dogs are everywhere here. I think I'm gate like 50 or something. But we're gonna double check. So, this is American Airlines flight. We're going to Dallas. It's up here. It's on time. And as you can see, like right there. 850, like 43, well, 2579. I don't know what the other number was. On time, 850. 850. All right, so 50, C50. Hold on. This is the same problem I've made before in the past. I need to be at A50, not C50. Why did I think it would need to be at C? I went the wrong way. I'm an idiot. I already said it. It's on video. I'm an idiot. I'm going the wrong freaking way. I can't believe I did this. This one was totally my fault. Okay, so we got 2 minutes. I'm gonna walk down to the other side so we get the front view. I can't believe I came all the way to the sea gates for nothing. Alright. See if I can get a seat here.
Buddy passes each corner. I get 2 close passes. So I would give you a
Alright. Another dog. This is where I should have got off 10 minutes ago. So, I don't make that many mistakes like this, but obviously I have plenty of time today, so it's not a big deal. Here's how I noticed my mistake. I was like reading it. As soon as I looked at the sign that said gate C, whatever, let's say 40 to 99, I was like, I'm looking for A. Good morning. Afternoon, whatever it is. Alright, so 30F. Get on the plane.
Yeah, I lived in Dallas for a couple of years. Oh yeah, and then I moved here.
Seatback device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Let's go look at our gate, just make sure. See if Monroe is even on here. It's gotta be. Yeah, I see it. So it's one of those flights. I can't believe there's more than one flight to that city. Which one are we? We're just moved. 4:37 on time, B25. You see it there at the bottom. But that's the end of this video. If you like it, be sure to hit subscribe and like. Mainly like. If you like it, it gets sent to more people. And you'll see all the other videos I do in the future like this. Next is going to be, what is it? The one going to Monroe. Yeah. The place I'm already about to go to. So be sure to hit that. All right. That's it. Bye. I'm speaking stupid.